welcome back to another episode of Chasing Light and Dark, where we are digging in our Minecraft world. Um, we've almost made it completely all the way around the maps, back to home base. Well, not home base, back to our first workshop. So I'm gonna try to see if we can get back that way, and then we'll start exploring the other areas. I do know on this bottom this map here, off to one side, there's mesa environment and all that kind of stuff. I know there's some underwater runes amongst the water bit. Um, Amongst all that, I know we found desert that has ruins in it. I know we found stuff with terracottas that could be a trail ruin. So, I mean, there's lots of places still to explore. So many places still to explore. Yeah. So, we'll figure out what we're doing on that today. Let's see, how did I turn around? There we go. So, we'll do that today. We are still heading that way, heading back, because I do want to complete the map first. We found mushrooms, we found pale oak forest. So, like I said, we found a lot of stuff to explore. But I still want to go ahead and finish this map first. We're almost completely back. You can see on the map, we're almost there. This should get us up and over. Ooh. Not exactly up and over. I mean, it ought to be up and over. Do, 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 do. Oh, wait. Oh, too far. Hold on. Aw, man. Do not go in the hole. We do have to kind of go around. What are you doing? Whoa. What's happening? Why are we stuck? We're sticking. Why are we sticking? Oh, wait a second. Hold on. There we go. You're not going to go. You're just going to be ornery, huh? Oh, wait. I can go this way. Duh. I'm just being ornery and forgetting. Alright, now. Have to be careful how far I come down here. See, there, you can see it. You can see the walkway. So we have to be careful because you don't want to fall in the holes. So there we go. We're all the way back over here. But I need to get back to the workshop because I need to empty some stuff out. Woo. Come on. How's our mystery tree going? I'm going to have to hit it with something to make it grow, but there it is. It's there. Ah, no! Not that! Oh, come on. I was just getting good. Going good. We're going to be doing this. Going to be ornery like this today. You got your food right there. You stay down. You got yours right there. Come on. There it goes. Now it finally makes noise. Okay, so we've made all the way around here. Now we haven't gone across the middle, but we're at least on the way there. Sorry, I'm hungry. I'll try to keep the chewing and smacking noises to a minimum. What? He's kind of looking at me weird. I'm like, what's going on? Okay. I'm waiting for this thing to move. There it goes. It didn't want to move. It was being slow. Okay. Come on. Right there. Seeds. Now, since that is new, the berries go there. And I'll even put the leaves up here. Down before you step on everything. Baby, you know better. You got food right there. I just split my cheeseburger with him. And he's getting too snoopy. Quit. Get off that. Nope. Down. Oh, you're not supposed to be on that. And you know you're not supposed to be on it. There's that. Snack on your food. No. Down. Stop that. Stop that. You've got snacks. Okay, let's see. Where else have I got to put the rest of the stuff? That one's going to have things like that. Ooh, I got one piece of leather, but I'm going to need more than one piece of leather to make leather boots. I love you, baby, but you got to stay off of there. Quit being a butt. You're just being a butt. Now quit being a butt. No! Get down! Quit being a butt, I said. I'm looking at stuff, trying to figure out where things go. And that is dirt. I'll have extra dirt. Lodestone. Stop. You're being a butt, now you quit. Oh, wait, I want to put the load. Well, I'm going to put it in here. Okay, ingots. You know why you're getting in trouble when I keep getting on to you. What you're supposed to be doing, what you're not supposed to be doing. Because each time you move and you lower your butt back down because you go, oh, nope, she's catching me. You know better. And yet you're still trying to climb on it. I love you. Behave. You've got food. Did I have the paper in here? No, I didn't, but I can put the paper in there. Get down. Down! Oh, quit climbing. You really need to quit climbing. You know better than that. No, don't need any of that. No, not in that one. Are you okay? Because I think you just shocked yourself with my hand. I'll move that out of the way. There's the leashes. I was looking for more of the leads. Hi. I think we can be fine putting it there like that. I think we'll even stick the wood up here. Woof. I need to leave the boat for a little bit. Though I'm halfway tempted. I'm halfway tempted to move the boat for right now. But I don't want to forget about it. Okay, let's see. Um, okay. Let's go ahead. Set a respawn point. Being over here. Let's see. Baby, quit that. Okay, we don't want to go that way because we're trying to do the other side of the map. Because, I mean, technically we're kind of on the very edge of the map, but we're just about off the edge of the map. Question is, what are we going to explore first? Down! Quit being a butt. Quit being a butt. You're being a butt. Doggy's being a butt. Give me a second, folks. You got food. Eat your food. You don't need a treat. He really wants his treat. He wants his treat that when I'm sitting here doing this, he wants a treat for when I'm doing that. He's being ornery. So if you will give me a second, folks, I'm going to go get that for him. See if I can figure out how to get up from where I'm sitting. Oh, gosh. It's enough to make any person go, what in the world? How do I get out of this? Oh, ow. Oh, gosh. Alright, doing this. Whoop. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, I have another issue right now. Apparently... Okay, hold on. There we go. Alright, I was getting things stuck under my lap. Wait, not there. Hold on. I want to move the boat. Doggy, you're just going to have to be patient. This map's going down here right now because I don't need it in my hand at the moment. Okay. Come on, couch. Give me my stuff. Let me go get him his treat. Be right back. Okay. Chat and comment. What in the world? How the heck did I get this pulled up? All I did was set the computer down. Okay, folks. I don't know what I just pulled up. Somehow I managed to pull up, it looks like the chat. And, managed to, go ahead and get all the commands showing to the help list. I am not exactly sure. And like I said, all I did was set the thing down. Oh boy. Let me see. Hold on. Let's see. We'll go back out. Why'd I do that? Hello, llamas. Let me see if I can go back behind. It helps if I quit jumping everywhere. Okay. Now we know there was stuff up here. We just kind of really want to go around the other side. What was that? Was that a baby puppy? It's a little puppy. Hard and bark. I hear you. I know you're there. Okay, this is the back side. Okay. Going through the back side. That's a hole down there. Okay, this was the back side of everything. Now. Kinda want to get this one. Hold on. Go running down here. Hold on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold on. Got a problem. Give me a second. Felt that sneeze coming on. Ooh, boy, was that sneeze coming on. Let's kind of go this way. Now, what's over here? Ooh, a little cabin area here. So where are we at on our map? Okay. I mean, I could just keep it up there and I'll keep going with that. Oh, okay. And this comes around the other side. It's almost like steps down there. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to keep it. I think while I'm filling out the map to kind of see where I'm going, I am going to have to keep it here. It's a little smaller and we still see it. As long as I'm not holding anything else, it's not going to be in the way too much. Hi, little sheep. Ways to go in there. Go down and through and around there. So a hole goes down that way. And which way was this going? Ah, yes, this got us to the water. There's holes down in there. Stuff that way. We got that side there with some water flowing down it. Some caverns. So we got some caverns here we can explore. Which I know we haven't explored yet. Hmm. Let me see. Let's go this way. The question is, do I want to go exploring that way or do I want to go exploring that way? Aw, mama chicken and her little baby chick. Oh, hi. Hi, little sheep. I don't know what you're doing, but okay. Hi. Hmm. And there's more cavern this way. This one's actually from a little higher up. Hmm. Okay, let me see something right quick. A nice big old tree. Kind of looks a little strange, but okay. Let's go down through here. Oh, this just goes through here. This just doesn't go anywhere else. It just goes through here. Okay. Aw, there's one that looks like a little cockatiel. Mm-hmm. It's just all covered up, covering over it. Okay. If we want to go exploring that, we got to figure out how to get in there and be able to get back out. Mm-hmm. Do-do-do. There's some coal. And I keep hearing them. Okay, because this further goes down into it. Oh, where's this come out at? Oh, that doesn't come out. That's just green growing in here. Okay, well. Ah, there it goes. It comes out there. Ooh, it goes further down that way. And I hear my washing machine going off. Now with the green, go down here in this little corner. Actually, I'm gonna put it here. It needs to be more there. Come on. There we go. I just feel like it goes better there. Now this can go this way. What are you doing, doggy? We already had the fries. Oh, we can keep going down further. We can go across figure out how to go across there. Figure out what's down here. Ooh. Okay. Any further this way, we will fall and go splat. We do not want to go fall and go splat. It would hurt, and I don't know how we'd get back out. But I think... Ooh, pardon me. If we go this direction, we can go underneath and not go splat. You know what I mean? Kind of a cover that way. I mean, go that way to explore or go down that way to explore. Let's go this way. Oop. Now I found grass. Does it mean there's an opening around it? There could be an opening from up there that you could get at from up there. But they need to fall. Okay, hold on. There we go. What? Oh, this goes down here. Okay, hold on. Alright, hold on. One more last little bite. Okay, which way are we going? Hmm. So that's just repeating which way we're going. Okay. Hmm. Ooh, hold on. Oh boy, that's a fall. I don't want to fall through there. But how can we get to that side? Be able to do it if I go through the gravel? Come on, hit. I'm almost scared to do this. But it looked like it was a solid wall underneath. Alright. We can get through there. There we go. There's coal this way. We'll do that one. We'll go back and get that in a minute. An iron. Okay. Alright, let me get this. Okay. There we go. That'll work. We'll do it more here. There we go. You know, since I'm here. The heck? I'll put the stone back. Now. There we go. Oh, that's gravel. Okay, so it's not good. I don't need to put it back, so. Not back there. Okay. I'm going to take up less space. Okay. Oop. Let's come get this iron. Because, of course, we need to. There we go. And I found some coal, more coal. Oh, that gets us to copper. Okay. Let's see. Ah! I wasn't trying to do that. There. Alright, there we go. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay. I got it all. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright, so we've been this route. Oh, money is starting to fuss at me. I can feel it. It's getting a little cranky. Not really anything there, but there we go. Because I haven't exactly gone through that way yet, completely. Okay. Alright, we got those. Got something else. We have some dirt here. Oh, and it goes on down underneath. Okay, so it kind of loops around. Let's go this way first. Okay, so we're now reaching diorite. And dripstone. We have reached dripstone. Okay. Stuff is lit up down here, and it's not by me. Ooh, there's a little bat. And there's granite. That's the glow lichen. Oh, what's up there? Excuse me, little bat. We got a little spot going up here. Okay. Alright, hold on. We've gone a ways and kind of forgot. Didn't mark some things, so we need to. Some ores and things. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Top. Ah, okay. That's a way down. And if I dig out some dirt, I can... Okay, hold on. Nope. I don't know why I'm making this hard on myself. Just use the shovel, dig out one, and you're good to go. Ooh, llamas. That means he's over there. Dude, I'm coming to see what you got. Oh, don't you run. Oh, do not run off on me. What you got? I want to see what you got. For hay bale or water bottle, you got me emeralds, mangrove log, gunpowder, purple dye, gray dye, pumpkin, birch, sapling, and firefly bush. Okay. Okay. Cool. I just want to see what you had. Okay, we are definitely on the side of where we came from. Okay. So So we can go back this way. Go back down. Okay, so we came up this way, so the little bat's like running around. Where are you going? I'm going this way, little bat. Okay. Alright. Okay, hold on. Do, 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 do. Get all of that. Get that. Yeah, we'll get that in a minute. Let's go ahead and put some stone back in there. That means I can still get out if I put the stone back. What are you doing, little bat? What are you doing? Bat, I think you're being a little silly. Yeah, I think you're being a little silly, little bat. Okay. Okay, let me go this way. I know you're sniffing, but that's everything is gone unless you haven't finished your part. There we go. Do 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 do. Dripstone. That was so I could still get back out there. So. I get some iron. Okay. Now to figure out how to get ourselves out safely. Oh, my arms are hurting so much today. They hurt so bad today. I don't know what I did, but I strained one and it really hurts. Ooh, gravel there. Okay, hold on a second. That's not what I want. Okay. I want it there. I'm debating on what. Now I'll decide whether or not I want to grab that or not. Okay, so we are kind of going downwards still. We just got sidetracked going up a little bit. Now we can go that way or we can go that way. Because there's a couple directions to go. Ooh, really bright. Tells me it might possibly have something to do with some lava. Okay. If I dig this out, I have to put stuff back in its place. That way I can get back out. Or I'm kind of screwed. There we go. Now I can still kind of get out. Maybe? Yeah, I can. Oh, it's glow like him. Okay, I can keep going, but I'm going to have to make some modifications so I can keep going. That means I'm going to have to do some digging. I got copper there and diorite. There's some iron there. Okay, we'll do that in a minute because this is more. We're trying to still kind of explore more than actually mine. Excuse me, little bat. Ooh. Oh, careful, careful, careful. If I keep going this way, I'm going to go too far and I'm not going to be able to get out. So, may not be able to go that way yet. Hold on. It's got one of two ways to go, it's looking like. Go that way or the other way. And there's coal up there. What are you doing, doggy? Oh, you got your treat. You're just chewing on your treat. Or we can go that way to get out. Or I should say go up. Not necessarily get out, but go up. Okay. And then we can go down again. Can't really tell. Oh, there's a hole right there. Not that we can get up and go through it, but there's a hole to the outside world. Fall through that, that's going to hurt. Okay. Yeah, we fall through that, that's going to hurt. Owies. Oh, I'm starting to hurt all over. Like I said, I don't know what I did, but apparently I strained something. And now it's making it hard to move. Not cool. So not cool. Okay. Stuff that way, and there's granite, and there's stuff that way. What did I hit? Oh, I just guessed I left out. Just to do it. Okay. We're going to put this here. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to grab this. Now, I can grab this copper while I'm here. Because why the heck not? I am here. You're noisy. He's making chomp chomp sounds more than I am. There we go. I was about to say, I just ran over that. Why didn't it go down? Oh, I'm going to feel quite full on... No. Put this back. Put it back on your head. I don't know why you took it off your head. Put it back on your head. You silly little thing. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yep. Do do. Da 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 da. Let's see. All of those, all those, all those. Right. Now. Coming from that, we're going this way. And there's more copper there we could dig through. Why does it feel like I'm being tickled across my belly? Honestly, do not know, but it feels like I'm being tickled across my belly. There we go. Is that iron I see? Yep, that is. Oh! Okay. Um, was not expecting water. Oh, it went that way. Hold on. Hmm. Okay. So we're going to go this way. There we go. Woof. Okay, so we know there's water back there. Must be careful. Hold on, let me do this. Dum, dum, dum. Alright. Okay, we'll go through here, go through here, through here. Alright, so, yeah, that's kind of like, okay. Just trying to make sure we are good and covered. Okay. So, there's water back behind that. I gotta remember there's water there. Oh, come on. Why'd you do that? I mean, it's kind of not surprising because the dripstone, but also it's like, wait a minute. Okay. I'm going back this way. I think that was the way I originally came from. Because we went down exploring, I do believe. No, we haven't gone this way. Came from that way. This was another alternate route because I remember seeing that there. Ooh, green. It's green stuff. Dunk. Somehow there's dirt and grass. I don't know how there's dirt and grass, but somehow there's dirt and grass. I mean, there's dirt. That's not the question. It's the grass growing. That's the part where you're going to kind of go, wait, what? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay. Okay. Alright. So going this way. Oh no, come on, man. Hold on. Thank you. That way we can see this has been done and is not needing to be done anymore. But I still have this. Okay, there we go. Okay, I was going that way. There, so I need to go down here. So, I do believe I've went, yes, I went down that way, so I need to go this way to get back out. Because that's where the granite was. Okay. And to get out here, I need to go this way. See, I'll figure my way out. Yep. Now, I originally came from that direction, and we did the sidetrack down there. So, we are going to go that direction with this next one. So, because my arm is getting to the point where I'm having trouble just moving it, so it's making it really hard to go through and do any commands on this game, I think we're going to go ahead and call it a day right here. Yeah, no, it's just some digging, so we're going back underground again, exploring, doing a little bit more mining. We have made it all the way back to the workshop, so we did get that part done. Completed that trail around the map. We'll figure out what we're doing next time because I'm not really sure. Like I said, right now my arm is starting to hurt real bad, and it's making it hard to concentrate on what I'm trying to do. All right, folks. Believe it or not, I did have fun. I hope you did too, and thank you for joining me today. Love y'all. Y'all be safe. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I will see y'all next time, okay? Bye.